Hello everyone, today we continue our lessons with you. In our last lesson, we completed the category process. Normally, product transactions are next, but before product transactions, we need to make categories related to our products. A product must have a category. A category can include more than one product. For example, apples, pears, bananas, and strawberries may be in the fruit category. Another example, juice, coffee, hot chocolate, wine, and beer could be in the drinks category. The relations the relationship is established like this. First, let's go to the category class and call our products as a list. Close this tab, open the entity layer, concrete, and go to category. Okay, we need a list for product prop tab, public list product, and we need a property name. Our property name must be products. Okay, category entity is ready. Good. Now we need to go to the product class. Go to product class and call our categories according to the relationship. We need we need two step and we need two properties. First property is prop top public int category id for relation. Category id is category id. Okay, and we need second property prop top public type must be category and property name is category. Okay, good. We wrote the codes necessary for our relationship. Now let's apply the migration. We have only one migration. Our one migration name is make beer. Okay, we need second migration. Open package manager console, default project, choose data access layer, clear screen, and we need migration. Let's write add hyper migration make to. Okay, enter. I'm waiting. Preview screen. Okay, migration 2 is ready for update database, and we need update database. Enter. Okay, this is not problem. Let's go to the sequelent check relation databases. What is Foody DB? Foody DB tables. Right click on products and edit top to 100 rows. Okay, this category ID, and open the database diagrams. Yes, right click, new database diagram, and we need categories table and products table. Products table, close. You can see relationship. Okay, control as. Okay, our relation is ready. Good. Let's go back to our project and create a product controller. Right click, add controller, MVC empty controller, delete delete this here. Name is products. Okay, add click. Good. First we need the listing process. We will do the listing process in two steps. In the first step, the categories of the products will not appear. In the second step, the products will be listed with their categories. Let's write our codes. I will explain all. Private read only, I product service underscore product service, and we need constructor method, our class control dot and generate constructor. Okay, our constructor method is ready. Public I action result product list. Okay, and we need second method, public I action result product list with category. Okay, and return with. Good. Var values underscore product service dot get all get all and return view with values. Right click product list, add view, razor view, and choose use a layout page, add click, creating a view for product list. I hope you can understand me easily. Okay, here we can use the view in the category list. What is category list? Categories, category list, and right click, copy, and delete this here. Right click, paste. Okay, close, and again right click, go to view. Okay, delete this here. We need only product. Okay, tables, we can change here. Variable table, we need not category ID, we need product ID, product name. Okay, and right click, design, and we need product name, stock, price. We can use stock and control D, price, and we don't necessarily material on the show list. Description is not necessary. Category ID can be category ID. Okay, update and delete. We need product ID, product name, stock, to delete this here, stock, price, and category ID. Good. Products slash delete product and item dot product ID, products update product and item dot product ID, add new product, products dot create product. Good. Our product list is ready. Ctrl Shift W. Let's run. I'm waiting. We need registration. Okay, go to program CS and copy this here, paste. We need our product doll EF product DAL and our product service and product manager. Let's again run. Product list is ready. Good. Okay, that's enough. We continue from here. Next, we will continue from here next lesson. Thank you for watching this video. See you next lesson. Have a good day. Have a good time.